I like working for ADS because ADS is a family-owned business that care about the product and care about the customer. I like working for ADS because ADS allows me the freedom to do things that fits my personality.
I came to work for Alarm Detection Systems because I heard great things in my local area about them from numerous people.
Being fresh out of college from the University of Kentucky, the job search began right after graduation. ADS gave me that opportunity, and we sat down, we talked, and I realized that their vision for me fit up for my vision with them.
You actually do have that flexibility. There's no one looking over your shoulder, no one to tell you you can or can't do something. However, there's a great deal of responsibility that comes with that flexibility.
They're empowered on the street to do whatever they have to do to fix that system, no matter what it is. Sometimes even, it's not cost effective, but we've got to make that customer happy, and we're in the business of doing that.
They give me the ability to go out and have a lot of face time with the customer, and then when I make the sale, I turn it over to very responsible people who process the paperwork and get it down to an ADS installation department that is able to handle thousands of accounts at a time.
Everywhere from the administrative assistants on up, even from the technicians, the fire testers, everybody is very professional and willing to help the customer and willing to go the extra mile.
It's never just you out by yourself, even in the sales. There's a whole team that you're working with, from the technicians to the management, to the self-support, to the service people, even to the girls that answer the phone.
It's not a gigantic national corporation in which that real personal effect kind of gets lost in translation, but we care for each individual customer. We go out of our way as salespeople, as managers, as upper management to make the experience best for the customer and really make that experience special for them. You have the day that you plan, and when you plan it out, if you plan a successful day, you have no reason not to be successful. If you believe in what the company does, you believe what they stand for, you believe that customer service attitude, that we care for our customers, then you will succeed.